what is up guys? So today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. So recently today they leaked a video that is allegedly the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip phone, also known as a folding phone. So today I'm going to talk about that. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share, and share with a friend, and make sure you subscribe because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. So as you know, it's February 2020 and Samsung is about to launch their new flagship phones, whether it be a Samsung series or it be the Note series and whatever. But there it is February and they're about to have their launch event, and they're expecting to release a second generation as of the Galaxy Fold. So as you know, last year that Galaxy didn't work out. The Galaxy Fold didn't work out as how they expected. It has a lot of flaws and all those stuff. The screen was malfunctioning and all those stuff, which wasn't good for business. But this year they're coming back with a second generation phone, and I'm expecting it to be much better. You can see I'm watching this on Verge. I'm looking this on Verge, and you can see they went vertical instead of horizontal or a square. Last year they went with a square phone. This year they're going with a vertical, which is a traditional phone, and it is gonna flip, and it kind of look like it is a wallet to me. By how it flip, I'm gonna play the video right now for you guys to see how it flips. So here it is, and that's how it flips. And you can see you still have the creases at the edge right here, and there's a little yellow thing on the side. I'm not sure if that's a problem with the screen or is it just a marking on the screen, but you can see this really fancy time and date and battery life right outside without flipping your phone. It's gonna have two cameras right there, and this thing right here where you see the time and everything, this is basically the old time flip phone. So if you guys been into smartphones and phones, you must know that back then the flip phones had this. With the more futuristic flip phones, you could see the time and you can maybe see a message or two without opening your phone. So this technology right here, seeing the time and everything without opening the phone, is not something new. As I always say, I don't see why they're calling these phone fold. I don't see the difference between the fold phone and the flip phone. The only difference I see is with the older flip phones, they had a hardware keyboard, a physical keyboard, and a screen separately with an hinge in the middle or whatever you call that thing. And with this flip phone now, it's more like a one screen, and it flips with a crease in the middle. So I'm guessing by next year or the next 5 years they will be able to fold phones without having a crease or a flap at the back. Yeah, that's a flop. It's gonna definitely have a crease, but within 5 years I'm expecting not to have that flap. You know, when you fold papers and sometimes it's not fully crease, like it's not fully flat, you have a flap at the back. I'm guessing that's what their goal is. One of their goal is to get that as flat as possible when it folds, so it seems flawless. But clearly you can see in this video right here, it is not as flawless as yet, but it is getting there, and this one seems to be much better. As I said, you can still see where it folds right there. It's not as flawless as yet, but this seems like a good wallet, and the design, the polish, the outside looks really great to me. It looked like something that I would see people buying this year. Last year phone, it was good, but I didn't really see people using it. But this one right here, I can see a lot of people using this. It looks much smaller and much user friendly to me so far, and the back kind of look like the Galaxy S. I would say the Galaxy, not the Galaxy, the iPhone 7 Plus or the iPhone 8, one of those iPhone with the double cameras at the back. It seems like that to me. And Samsung is calling this Galaxy Series Z. So I don't know why they went to Z, if it's there are like a meaning for the Z or what, but As you know, Z is the last letter in the alphabet, so is this the last phone they're making for Galaxy? I doubt that. I doubt that is the reason why they made this phone like that. But we're expecting the Samsung Galaxy Flip to be officially revealed at Samsung Unpacked event on February 11th in San Francisco. The main announcement of the launch, however, should be the much leaked Samsung Galaxy S20. So, as you guys know, the Samsung Galaxy S20 is about to release also, and a lot of people are looking to see that phone, and it's gonna be a lot of specs. I think that comes at what, 120 refresh rate or something like that. I think it has some pretty cool specs that we're seeing for the first time in a smartphone, and I'm expecting Apple to be following that later on in the year. That's what I always realize, like Apple is always like a follower, and Android devices are more like a leader, because fingerprints and all those stuff I think came out first on Samsung and all those devices and Android devices. As you know, Android devices have more options than Apple, where it's just iPhone. So Samsung next foldable phone is likely to be announced this month, as I said earlier on. um this video doesn't really show a great deal more than what we've seen in the leaked pictures and renders, but at least we are seeing a video of this. Sometimes I always wonder why these videos get released. Like is it the same people keep on releasing these videos and leaking the phone, or is it someone different? Because if you send a video to someone and you realize that it got leaked, you're not gonna wanna do that again next here when the phone is released. So that's why I'm wondering, is that the same people who release these leaks all the time? But nowadays, by the time a phone to be launched, we already know all the specs. We're just like, hey, give us the phone already. So that's it. Nowadays we already know the specs and everything, so when they come up on stage, nothing's done so new. They're only just confirming the information that we already know for us. But that's it for this video, guys. This has been a quick video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. I'm not sure why they're not calling the Samsung Galaxy Foldable, but last year they called it Foldable, and that came in at a really high price. And also wondering what will be the price for this Samsung device. Will it be $1,500, $2,500, or will it just be a regular flagship price, which is around $600 and $700 these days? Or it could be coming at $999, as you always know. Those high-end phone always starts at $999. But let us see later on in February, and we're definitely gonna know the price later on. So by the end of the month, you should be knowing the price, and you should be know if this is worth it or not. But thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. Until I see you guys in my next video, peace.